If you can solve a Rubik's Cube, I know for sure that you can learn how to trade the stock market. What I'm about to show you is a video of a new good friend of mine named Greg Young, who lives in Florida. Not only does he live in Florida, he's also a professional bowler on the PBA Tour. And he blew my mind the other day with a Rubik's Cube solving in under 60 seconds. I also have another friend, I posted it on Twitter, and that's where Greg got the idea. I posted on Twitter that my buddy Ricky Cadden down there in Australia can also solve a Rubik's Cube. Here's the thing, it's patterns, right? It's pattern recognition. That's what the stock market is. You don't have to be good at math to solve a Rubik's Cube. You don't have to be good at math to trade the stock market. It's pattern recognition and practice, all right? Practice makes permanent, not perfect, but permanent. So if you learn a Rubik's Cube, I cannot do it. I've never spent the time to do it, but I'm sure I could learn, and that might be a challenge for 2020, who knows? But what I can say is, if you spend enough time with your cube, with your Rubik's Cube, with trading or with the stock market, you can learn anything and you can become an expert in that particular field. So here's my challenge to you. If you can do what a gentleman is about to do, then I know for sure that you can take advantage of the stock market. Click the links below, get signed up, register, learn a little bit about the markets, learn how to make money with your pattern recognition abilities, and let's make magic together. Here we go.
All right, so the first step is identify, the patterns at first, what your first moves are going to be, and then you just go from there. So here we go.
Now, as you're doing this, how many times did you practice?
Oh, lots of times in my college dorm room. Not doing homework and doing this.
That's what you did in college, huh?
Absolutely.
So was it just a repetition where you're just sitting there and you learn it once and you just kind of practice over and over and over again?
Yeah, you just look for the patterns over and over again. I'm kind of messing up here. Let's see.
It's hard to talk and do it, right?
A little bit. Let's see. I'm just rusty. We'll still get a decent solve.
It's coming. Here it goes. Here it goes.
Boom.
Boom! I love it. Now, why to the stock market? What draw you to the markets?
Just the availability of it to do it while I'm on the road. I bowl professionally for a living, so I need to have that second source of income. So while I'm on the road, it's something I can do, as long as I have a Wi-Fi connection, I'm good to go. So that's mainly the draw and just the challenge of it.
Yeah.
Those things really drew me towards it.
Definitely. And how did you feel about your Roku trade today?
I liked it. I wish it was real money, but I really liked it. Found those pre-market resistance lines, and we caught that high wave bar that we got.
Yep.
And it broke out, and 2.4 hours right there.
Beautiful. So team, that's it. This guy is a maniac at so many things in life.
Trying.
Just going to continue to improve. We're growing together. We're enriching lives together. We're learning about how we can do small things that we've never done before, make small incremental tweaks in our life that will result in massive growth and improvement.
Absolutely.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. You rock.